Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set variables in Figma. Variables are powerful tools that allow you to store reusable values, such as specific colors, numerical spacing values, or text strings. They are essential for creating a robust and consistent design system, enabling you to make global changes with just a few clicks. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from creation to application, ensuring your designs are both flexible and efficient. To begin, open your Figma file and navigate to the Design tab in the right sidebar. Look for the Local Variables section and click the plus icon to open the panel. Here, you will find a button labeled Create Variable. Click it and select the type of variable you wish to create, such as color, number, or string. Give your new variable a descriptive name and set its initial value, for example, a specific hex code for a color. Once your variables are defined, applying them to your design elements is straightforward. Select any element on your canvas, like a rectangle or a text box. In the Design panel on the right, you will see various properties such as fill, stroke, or spacing. Next to these properties, a small variable icon will appear. Click this icon, and a drop-down menu will show your available variables. Select the one you want to apply, and your element will instantly update. For more complex design systems, Figma allows you to organize variables into collections. This helps keep your variables tidy and easy to navigate. Within a collection, you can create different modes, which are incredibly useful for managing variations like light and dark themes, or different brand styles. You can then apply these modes to specific pages or frames, allowing you to instantly switch between design variations and see how your elements adapt across different contexts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.